Good morning students. Today we'll solve some examples on paper. See it carefully and try to solve these examples in your notebook. So we'll first see decimal to binary conversion. We'll take first example 5 to the base 10. We have to convert this number into binary. So we'll follow the steps whatever we have learned in our lecture. So we'll take 5 as a dividend, 2 as a divider. So 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1, 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0, 1 divided by 2, answer is 0, and this dividend will come as a remainder. So here we stop our division because there is nothing left to divide here. So this is my MSB, this is LSB. Copy your answer from bottom to top. In integer number, MSB is always at bottom, LSB is always at top. So answer is 5 decimal 101 to the base 2. So this is the binary. Second we'll see second example 14 to the base 10. We have to find out binary equivalent. Two 7s are 14, remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Here 0 and here 1 will come as a remainder. This one will come as a remainder. Now this is MSB, this is LSB. MSB always at the bottom. Answer copy from top to bottom. So answer is 14 decimal 1110 to the base 2. Third one 117 to the base 10. We have to find out binary equivalent. Two 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 0. 14. Remainder is 1. 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Here 0 will come and this one will appear as a remainder. So copy answer MSB, LSB. So 117 to the base 10. Answer is 111010 1 1 to the base 2. Next example we'll solve for fractional number, that is 0.61 to the base 10. Find out binary equivalent. Point 61 multiplied by 2, 1.22. Take this one outside, copy here. Then 0.22 left, 0.22 multiplied by 2, 0.44. Copy this 0 here. Then pick this 0.44 multiplied by 2. Answer is 0.88. Consider this 0 right here. Take this 0.88 here. Again multiplied by 2. The answer is 1.76. Pick this one here. 0.76 remaining. Take it multiplied by 2. Answer is 1.52. Take this one here. 0.52 left. Again take that 0.52 multiplied by 2. You will get 1.04. Again pick this one right over here. Now this is the fractional number, so your MSB is always at top, LSB at bottom. ये रूल ध्यान में रखिए, फ्रैक्शनल नंबर के लिए हमेशा MSB टॉप में होगा, LSB बॉटम में होगा. सो आंसर कॉपी करना है. आंसर कॉपी करना है तो राइट डाउन 0 फर्स्ट, देन पुट फ्रैक्शनल पॉइंट एंड कॉपी फ्रॉम टॉप 1 0 0 1 1 to the base 2. This is the equivalent of 0.61 decimal. Then we'll see next example. 0.8 to the base 10. Find out binary equivalent. Zero 0.8 multiplied by 2. Answer is 1.6. This one will go here and 0.6 will take below, and again we'll multiply it with 2. So 0.6 into 2 is 1.2. Copy this one. Take 0.2 multiply with 2. 0.4. Copy 0. 0.4 multiplied by 2. 0.8. Copy 0. Take 0.8 multiply with 2. 1.6. Copy 1. So again MSB here, LSB here. Copy your result from top to bottom. So your answer is 0.8. Decimal is equivalent to 0.11001 to the base 2. Now we'll see binary to decimal. Binary to decimal conversion. We'll take a number 110010 to the base 2, and we have to find out decimal equivalent. So we'll take a weights for this number. This is 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 3. This is 2 raised to 4. And this is 2 raised to 5. So we'll multiply each digit with their weight and finally add it to the next number. So 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Here 0 will appear. Here also 0. Here 2 raised to 1 means 2 plus 0. So final answer is 50 to the base 10. Now we'll see second example. 0.1101 to the base 2. We have to find out a decimal equivalent. So again we'll take a weights. So for this 0, 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus for this 1 weight is 2 raised to minus 1 plus for this 1 weight is 2 raised to minus 2 plus for this 0 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. So here 0 will come, 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4 means 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 means 1 by 16. डायरेक्टली कैलसी से भी ले सकते हो. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. So here make denominator common 16. So 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. So here we have multiplied denominator and numerator with 8. So you will get finally 16. Here we have to multiply by 4. 4 4 is 16. And here 16 as it is. So 13 by 16. Find out with calci 13 by 16. It is 0.8125 to the base 10. To the base 10. So this is the binary equivalent for this number. Next we'll see example 11001011.0111 to the base 2. We have to find out decimal equivalent. So here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. So this 1 means 1 into 2 raised to 7 plus 1 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus this 0 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. So perform this with the help of calci. You will find your final answer in decimal. Solve it in your notebook, this example. Now we'll see decimal to octal conversion. The number is given 246 to the base 10. We have to find out octal equivalent. So 246 will divide it with 8. So 8 is divider. 8 3 is 24. 8 से 6 divide नहीं होगा. So we'll put 0 as a division and we'll take 6 as a remainder. Then 8 3 is 24. Remainder will be 6. We can't divide 8 by 3. So we'll put division 0. We'll take 3 as a remainder. Now this is the integer number. So for integer number, MSB is at bottom, LSB is at top. Copy your answer from MSB to LSB. So the answer is 246 to the base 10 is equals to 366 to the base 8. We'll see in a second example. 2552 to the base 10 equivalent to which octal number we have to find out. So again we'll do the division with 8. 8 3 is 24. 8 1 is 8. 8 9 is 7. 8 3 is 24. Remainder is 1. 8 1 is 8. Remainder is 7. 8 9 is 72. Remainder is 0. 8 3 is 24. 8 9 is 72. Remainder is 7. 8 4 is 36. Remainder is 7. 8 0. यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा. So this is MSB. This is LSB. कॉपी करना है. 2552 to the base 10 equivalent to 4770 to the base 8. Then third example we'll see 0.26 decimal. We have to find out octal equivalent. So we'll multiply 0.25 into 8, which is equals to 2.56. Copy this 2 here. Take 0.56. Do it multiplication with 8. 4.48. Pick 4. Take 0.48. Again multiply with 8. Answer is 3.84. Pick this 3 right here. Take 84 multiplied with 8. 6.72. Pick 6. So your answer is 0.26 to the base 10. Answer is 0.2436 to the base 8. Now next we'll see octal to decimal conversion. Seven, 6, 8 to the base 8. We have to find out decimal equivalent. So we'll consider weight 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. So 7 multiplied by 8 raised to 2 plus, sorry, here 4 is there, 4 multiplied by 8 raised to 1 plus 8 multiplied by 8 raised to, sorry, here 6 is there, sorry, 6 into 8 raised to 0. So 7 multiplied by 64 plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 8 raised to 0 means 1. So final, after calculating this number, the answer is 486 to the base 10. Then we'll see next example, which is a fractional number. Eight 0 into 8 raised to 0, fractional point is there. So 1 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to minus 2 plus 3 into 8 raised to minus 3. So here 1 into 1 upon 8 plus 2 into 1 upon 16 plus 3 into 8 1 upon 512. So final answer is 6.1621 to the base 10. With the help of calci, you will get this answer. Third example, 312.196 to the base 8. We have to find out decimal equivalent. So 3 into 8 raised to minus, sorry, only 2, not minus, sorry, 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0 plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 9 into 8 raised to minus 2 plus 6 into 8 raised to minus 3. So do it with calci. 3 into 64, 8 raised to 2 means 3 into 64 plus 1 into 8 raised to 1, 8 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 means 1 plus 1 into 1 upon 8 plus 9 into 1 upon 16, sorry, 1 upon 62, 64 plus 6 into 8 raised to 3 means 1 upon 512. So final answer is 0.9.40234. With the help of calci, I got this answer. Then next we'll see octal to binary conversion. Seven, 4, 6 to the base 8, which is equivalent to binary. अभी यहाँ पे In last lecture, I have taught you how to find 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit binary. Hope so you have understood. So first make all the tables for 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit binary in your notebook compulsory. Then and then only you will come to know how to do this conversion octal to binary. In last lecture, I have taught you how to find 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit binary. Please go through that table. Make that table in your notebook, and while converting octal to binary, refer that tables. So yesterday's lecture I have told you how to find out that 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit binary. Here once again I will explain you. For finding 2-bit binary, what I have done here, I have taken the two weights, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1. So for decimal 0, I have written 0 0 over here. That means I am giving 0 0 weightage to these two weights. So the decimal 0 is represented here like 0 0. Then for decimal 1, I have made this column 1. That means I have giving 1 value for this 1. So this column will become 1, and this will I put 0 because I have to represent only 1. So my decimal number is represented in 2-bit binary is 0 1. Now for 2, I have given the weightage for this column 1, for this 0. So decimal 2 is like 1 0. Now for 3, I have to make both the weights 1. Then and then only I will get a decimal 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's why I have made both the columns 1 1. So decimal 3 is represented in 2-bit binary like 1 1. See carefully, I have made only the weights which is equivalent to this decimal number. I have made 1 for the weightages. Looking here, if I want 1, I will make only this column 1. If I want 2, I will make this column 1. If I want 3, I will make both the columns 1. If I want 0, I will make both the columns 0. So this is a 2-bit binary. And why 2-bit binary? 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4. That's why we'll get only 4 numbers over here, that is from 0 to 3. So this is your 2-bit binary. Now 3-bit binary. How to find out 3-bit binary? Take 3 weights of 0, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Right? Now 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8, means in 3-bit binary we'll find out 8 combinations, that is 0 to 7. Right? Now 2 raised to 0 is equals to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equals to 2, 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4. Now make accordingly the weights 0s and 1. So for 0, make 3 weights 0. Right? So your decimal 0 is 3-bit binary 0 0 0. Right? Then 2 रेस टू, ये कॉलम मैंने सिर्फ क्या किया है, 1 के लिए क्या किया है, सिर्फ ये कॉलम 1 किया है, ये वैल्यू को 1 किया है. अभी फॉर 2 आई विल मेक दिस कॉलम 1 एंड मेक अदर कॉलम 0. फॉर 3, 2 plus 1, so I have made these two columns 1. So my decimal 3 will look like 0 1 1. For 4, I will make this column 1 and rest of the column 0. So my decimal 4 in 3-bit binary will look like 1 0 0. For 5, I will make 4 plus 1. So ये दो कॉलम को 1 किया है और मिडिल कॉलम को 0 किया है. So this will give me decimal 5 1 0 1. And 6, 4 plus 2. So I will make these two columns 1 1. 4 plus 2 6. So I will make this column 1 and will put this column 0. Right? So 6 will look like 1 1 0. And for 7, make all the columns 1, means make all the weights 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. So triple 1. So this is a 3-bit binary. Right? So this is a decimal equivalents and their binary equivalents. make this table in your notebook compulsory. Then 4-bit binary. For 4-bit binary, 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. 16 possible combinations are there from 0 to 15. Total 16 combinations. So for that we have made the table here. Now see 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 0 means 1. 2 raised to 2, 1 means 2. 2 raised to 2 means 4. 2 raised to 3 means 8. Right? So for 0, make all columns 0. For 1, make this column 1. For 2, make this column 1. For 3, 2 plus 1. For 4, make this column 1. For 5, make this 4 plus 1. Then for 6, make 4 plus 2. For 7, make 4 plus 2 plus 1. For 8, make this column 1 because here the value is 8. For 9, make 8 plus 1, 9. For 10, 8 plus 2, 1 1 किया है. For 11, 8 plus 2 plus 1. For 12, 8 plus 4. For 13, 8 plus 4 plus 1. For 14, 8 plus 4 plus 2. And for 15, all the columns are 1. So this is the method for finding out 4-bit binary for decimal equivalent 0 to 15. Now in hexadecimal we have seen we have to represent 10 as a alphabet A, 11 as a B, 12 as a C, 13 as a D, 14 as a E and 15 as a F. So this will useful while converting hexadecimal number into binary. So these 3 columns you have to write in your notebook. So while conversion you can easily refer this table and do the conversion fast. Now we'll see octal to binary conversion. So we have to